Workiz is built for small service teams that want fast scheduling and dispatching in one system, while Kickserv is built for even smaller teams that want basic job tracking without extra features getting in the way. By the end of this, you'll know how Workiz and Kickserv compare in real daily use, where each one fits best, and which platform makes more sense depending on how simple or active your field service work is. Workiz focuses on keeping jobs moving quickly. It connects scheduling, dispatching, job tracking, and invoicing in a single workflow, so teams can manage multiple jobs a day without losing track of what's happening in the field. Kickserv keeps things simpler. It covers scheduling, job tracking, estimates, and invoicing, but it avoids deeper workflow layers so small teams can stay focused on basic job completion instead of managing a complex system. The biggest difference is workflow depth. Workiz is built for teams that need to handle more active scheduling and frequent job changes during the day. It gives more structure for managing technicians, assignments, and job status in real time. Kickserv is built for stability and simplicity. Jobs move in a straightforward path from creation to completion with fewer moving parts. That makes it easier to manage, but it also means less control when operations start getting busy. Scheduling shows the difference clearly. Workiz is designed for active dispatching, where jobs can be assigned and adjusted quickly as new calls come in. Kickserv uses a simpler calendar system that works well when job volume is low, and schedules don't change as often. On invoicing and job tracking, both platforms cover the basics. Workiz ties invoicing more closely into active job management, while Kickserv keeps invoicing simple and focused on closing out completed work without extra steps. For very small service businesses like solo operators or tiny teams handling a few jobs per day, Kickserv often feels easier because there's less to manage. For small teams that are growing and dealing with more daily scheduling pressure, Workiz usually becomes more practical. The core difference is capacity for complexity. Kickserv is built for simplicity and light workloads. Workiz is built for small teams that are starting to handle more active operations and need better coordination. To choose between them, look at how your schedule changes during a typical week. If your jobs are predictable and limited in number, Kickserv is usually enough. If you're constantly assigning, moving, or updating jobs throughout the day, Workiz is built for that pace. A simple next step is to check how many times you reschedule or reassign jobs in a normal week. If that number is low, Kickserv fits. If it's frequent, Workiz will save more time in day-to-day coordination. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of field service software.